Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nur Iqbal. 22 OSP 685. I will explain my daily life from waking up to going back to sleep. My daily routine as a student starts every morning at around. After wake up, I begin my day with a shower and a simple breakfast like toast or rice. At 7:30 a.m. I leave from campus using motorcycle. Class start at 8 a.m. and last until 3 p.m. with a lunch break around 12 a.m. During this break, I usually eat at the campus cafeteria or bring of a packet lunch from home. I also use this time to meet friends and discuss a segment given by the lecturers. After class and at around 3 p.m., I typically spend time in the library to read or work on a segment. If there are extracurricular activities such as student organization meeting or sports practice, I participate in those until 6 p.m. In the evening, after returning home or to my dorm around 7 p.m., I have dinner and take a short rest from 8 to 10 p.m. I focus on study and completing my coursework. Occasionally, if I have extra time, I work part-time to get experience and earning some additional income. Around 10:30 p.m., I take time to relax by watching a movie or reading a book before going to bed. I usually sleep around 11:30 p.m. to ensure I get enough rest and I'm ready to face the next day. I follow this routine every day with some variation weekend for rest and socializing with friends. Thank you for attention. Good night.